2025 Prelim Henry Park Primary School Paper 1 Booklet B, Question 28. A machine started labeling containers at 9 a.m. at the rate of 600 containers per hour. Every 3 hours, the machine stopped for 15 minutes. How many containers can it label by 1:45 p.m. on the same day? Now let's draw a timeline. Okay, it starts at 9 a.m. Alright, now in 3 hours, it will be 12 noon, right? And it needs 15 minutes of rest. So it will be 12:15 by the time it restarts. Okay, now let's take 1 hour. In 1 hour's time, it will be 1:15 p.m. Okay, and then another 30 minutes. To reach 1:45 p.m. Alright, so from here we can tell that the machine worked for 3 hours plus 1 hour plus 30 minutes. Okay, so total hours work equals to 3 plus 1 plus 0.5. 30 minutes is half an hour, so this is 4.5 hours. Okay, number of containers labeled equals to 4.5 hours times 600 containers per hour, and that will give us 2,700 containers. Okay, so this is our answer, 2,700 containers.